National Weather Service in League City has issued a flash flood warning for Liberty County in southeastern Texas, southeastern San Jacinto County in southeastern Texas, eastern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated line of slow-moving thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is likely to begin shortly. 1-hour rainfall rates range from 1 to 3 inches. Portions of the warned area received several inches of rain yesterday afternoon and evening. Some locations that will experience flooding include Liberty, Cleveland, Dayton, Shepherd, Spindora, Patton Village, Roman Forest, Wood Branch, Ames, Desaday, Hardin, Plum Grove, Kennefic, North Cleveland, Dayton Lakes, Lake Houston, Rye, Moss Hill, Romare, and Darkington Prairie. Turnaround, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, country roads, farmland, and other low-lying spots.
Doubleheader!
National Weather Service in League City has issued a flash flood warning for Liberty County in southeastern Texas, southeastern San Jacinto County in southeastern Texas, eastern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated line of slow-moving thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is likely to begin shortly. 1-hour rainfall rates range from 1 to 3 inches. Portions of the warned area received several inches of rain yesterday afternoon and evening. Some locations that will experience flooding include Liberty, Cleveland, Dayton, Shepherd, Spindora, Patton Village, Roman Forest, Wood Branch, Ames, Desaday, Hardin, Plum Grove, Kennefic, North Cleveland, Dayton Lakes, Lake Houston, Rye, Moss Hill, Romare, and Darkington Prairie. Turnaround, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, country roads, farmland, and other low-lying spots. The National Weather Service in League City has issued a flash flood warning for Florida County in southeast.
So, that was a doubleheader EAS from TuneIn Radio, from Galveston, Texas, from Galveston Weather Radio. Now I'll show you the warning on county. It was Harris County, okay.
NOAA Carnes
And that surprised me, it was doubleheader.
Montgomery Nueces Roseville, Washington, Wilson, Aransas Roseville, Leon, Liberty Maverick underscore, Leon underscore, Liberty underscore count. Liberty underscore county underscore. Voiceover off.
Sorry, here we go. Here's the two warnings. Here's the first one. And the second one, which is the first one that I did. First one, and the second one. So now I have voiceover read it to you.
Voiceover on. NOAA target area, Chambers, Hardin, Jasper, Jefferson, Liberty, Newton, Orange, Sabine, Tyler. Severe thunderstorm watch 223 is in effect until 900 p.m. CDT for the following locations TX. Texas counties included are Chambers, Hardin, Jasper, Jefferson, Liberty, Newton.
Actually, that was not the warning. Here we go.
Target area, Harris, Liberty, Montgomery, San Jacinto. The National Weather Service in League City has issued a star flash flood warning for ellipsis, Liberty County in southeastern Texas, ellipsis, southeastern San Jacinto County in southeastern Texas, ellipsis, eastern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, ellipsis, northeastern Harris County in southeastern Texas, ellipsis.
That's all it's gonna.
2 of 5 bar, 2 of Rose 1, alert, watches and warnings, edit, voiceover off.
Say for us, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I haven't got any alerts on my weather radio because there's no warnings in effect for Brazos, Burleson, and all those counties yet. So, we'll have to stay tuned up with the latest. So, that's it for now, and I'll shoot another warning from Galveston or from Weather Radio when the National Weather Service issues a warning for either Galveston Weather Radio or my Midland WR300, which is way over there. I don't know if you can see that good or not, but there you go. And so, yeah. So we'll stay tuned for more warnings. I'll stay tuned on the Galveston. If my weather radio goes off and I am with my phone, I'll stop the thing and I'll have my iPod and I'll record again, just like I am now. So, I'll stay tuned to those weather alerts, and that's it for now, and that's all. Still on? Okay, that's it for now, and that's all.